'09 Dodge Durango. What we're doing is replacing this. Apparently something's wrong with the back seat. We have one generic seatbelt receiver and two seat belts. These seat belts need 3 points to them. Let's see here. There we go, there's the end. So what happened, they took the seat belts off. There's where this is supposed to hook in right there. That's unhooked. And then the seat belt is supposed to go over here to something that's not there. This seat belt is coming up from there, bolted down here. It's actually supposed to be bolted over there on the torque screw. And then this seat belt is generic. It doesn't even click with Dodge's. So someone just, with the original seatbelt, so someone just threw a generic seatbelt back here. Got this, and they verified it's the correct model number. It actually fits in, clicks, ejects, perfect. And this one's pretty nice. You can see it's got a metal piece right here to stop these from coming back too far. So that's the way it's supposed to be inserted. Fits perfect right into this area right here. And then they're spring loaded, so they're adjustable. This is turning out to be a 3/4, and it's kind of loose. So I wouldn't doubt if this is metric. I don't even think it's the right bolt. Almost out of there. Yeah, it's a long bolt. All right, so put that over there. Get rid of this. Almost looks like it was melted. Weird. Anyway, and the markings, I don't see anything Mopar. They're similar. Oh, there is Chrysler right on the bottom there. Well, it doesn't fit these seat belts, so maybe it's an older model. Anyway, see if this bolt actually fits. Nice. In from the top. Perfect. Let's bolt it down. Make sure they tilt the right way. Threads right in. There it goes. Now we're not finger tight anymore. Just gotta get my ratchet in here. Of course, I have a long socket, but since these go down like that, maybe I can hold both of them down. Oh yeah, we're in business now. And there we go. Perfect. And it fits right between the seat there. Down. Bottom edge comes up. And let's see. Maybe the bottom has to go in first. There we go. Perfect. These things are actually a little forward, but they do move down. So now, last thing is getting those, and those are huge hex head wrench, like a star pattern. I think I'm gonna be running to Napa I'll have to take a snapshot of that and see what they think, what size that is. Alright, I'm gonna run to Napa real quick. Back from Napa, a T50. It was the last and biggest star-bit socket that they had. Interesting thing at the store, oh yeah, it's in there nice, almost no slack. So I go to the store, I'm like, hey, I think I need a size or two bigger than what that's really in there, what I have. So he gave me a T45 and a T47, and I'm like, hey, do I need to buy these, and can I like return one, or can I just leave my keys with you, because I promise I don't want you to think that I'm gonna like run off with these. He's like, oh yeah, if you want, go ahead and leave your keys. I'm like, okay. So I go out there, and to my stupidity, I couldn't get in the car to test it out because I left my keys there. So I go back, I'm like, actually, I need my keys to get in there. And he's like, okay, I know, probably. He's like, you're on camera anyway. He's like, we trust you, but yeah, go ahead. And so came to the realization that both those were kind of small, and if he had one bigger, and he's like, yeah, there's a T50, but that's the last one we got in the biggest size. Okay, let's try it out. Perfect fit. So, wow, top of that bolt is like gone, but the threads are still good. All right, so to have the actual right way to have this installed, through here, nice snug fit. Try to get some slack so it's not pulling up on the bolt. And now the challenge is threading it in there without getting it cross threaded. There we go. Probably wouldn't hurt to put just a little dab of oil on there, but it's already in and it's going fine. So I'll tighten this one up. I decided to put an extension on this side because when you're so tight up right here, you got metal that you could hit your knuckles on if you slip off or anything like that. So it just makes it so much easier when you have the correct tools for the job. About the same. All right. 3 points of contact. That's what it takes to have the seatbelt. Feels so good to have a job done right rather than one other janky job whoever else did. I mean, just make sure that's the right way. It's just, I don't know. You can do things halfway the right way, and then like it just bugs me down the road knowing that it's not done. I could have done better if I just took a little more time to do it. I don't know why whoever had this before put that seatbelt in just to make it look like you could buckle, but even visually there was only one buckle and two actual seatbelts to put it on, so I'm not sure what they were thinking. I want to make sure that has a little bit of slack so it's still adjustable, a little tighter. Pretty close, just a little bit more maybe. There we go, perfect. All right, now for the moment of truth. Okay, so we put the bench sheet, put the bottom in first, locks in, so there's the seat. Seat belts, a little bit of play in them, perfect. In the corner, there's the 3 points of contact. Let's take our seat belt here. Perfect, just like it's supposed to. And this one, 3 points of contact. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful